Well, I have time to pop in to the bird show. It looks like the same thing as I did before. Doesn't like my drink.
Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. Tell us about your furry friend.
He's my dog. We found him in South America. And he's trained. Shake, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there.
Oh, hi, you can talk? How does this work?
Please do not touch that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Hey, you're speaking Hindi and English? More like English. Tell us your name, boy.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, Doug. A good wilderness explorer loves all animals.
Just like our motto says.
Exactly, we say.
An explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
You all know this part. Everyone follow along.
The wilderness must be explored.
Now you.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, roar.
Caw, roar.
Wonderful dog.
Actually, ball.
That's exactly right, Russell. It comes from the Old English word, piebald, which means white head.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
Absolutely, and inspiring. Not too long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. Then, through conservation efforts, all of us, we played a huge part in helping the population to recover. And I'm happy to say the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Cool story, right?
Thank you, Hope. Now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. In ancient mythology from India, our story is told that once the tail feathers of Moor-Peach were dull, but in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. During molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That's why I'm delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you.
He's in makeup. Now, one of our peacocks is on his way right now. He's actually let you in on a little secret. It's only like his third day doing the show. It's really awesome.
So you guys are seeing something extra special that no one has seen before.
It's pretty cool. And the way that we work with all of these birds, the bird whispering, is actually just positive reinforcement training.
Explain a little bit about positive reinforcement. What does that mean?
Yeah, well, it's basically what we do every day. Just like we don't work for free, neither do any of these guys. And that all could mean treats or best friends, like for example, Katie out here, and our hornbill and our toucan. We try to make sure that all the animals are working with a buddy they really care about, and on top of that, we try to make it worth their while for anything we ask them to do. It's pretty neat.
We've seen a bit of that positive reinforcement today when we had Groucho out here earlier. Groucho was eating peanuts after singing each song. Why does he eat the peanuts? Because he loves them.
Yes, exactly right. Otherwise, he'd probably just throw it on the ground. Parents are messy like that.
They know what they like. Ah, there he is. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is Peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Russell, did you know that there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? You too can have your own adventure in nature. And you don't even have to go that far. Many birds can be found in your backyard or even your local park back home. So, to get you started on your next adventure, be sure to check out the Nature Passport app.
Great idea. Just ask any Wilderness Explorers troop leader to find out more. So you know whether it's a Kevin bird or an eagle, an owl, toucan, or peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Wow, check out that Tarako hopping around.
That's a cool bird. Get a picture of it for me.
And you can't forget about the spectacled owl, honestly.
Yeah!
I too can run around like the birdies.
Check out the beautiful tail feathers of this guy over here, too.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh, I
Wilderness
love them.
must be explored. Bye.
Bye. Oh, we'll see you later at the Wilderness Explorers Clubhouse, right?
That's right. Oh yeah.
Okay, so that took longer than I thought. So I missed my fast pass for the Lion King, but it's, I don't even know why you need a fast pass. Everybody's gonna get in. So I'm gonna go see what the next showtime is. And then I have a fast pass for the boat ride in that Pandora area, the new area. So we shall see what I'm gonna do. So the Lion King is at the top of every hour. It's 12:30. I've got a fast pass for one of the Pandora rides, so I'm gonna walk over there. I'm gonna go to Mickey Ice Cream Bar and more water. You can definitely tell we're coming to Pandora, although there's no signs back here. But you can hear all the noises, like the forest is coming alive. Oh. It's a little loud back here. I bet this at night is really something. Animal Kingdom used to close at 5 o'clock, but they've recently done a lot of upgrades, and so now it can be a nighttime park. They have nighttime shows and parades and everything, so wow, look at that. Look at that. So I've never seen Pandora. I don't know what this stuff is supposed to be, but whatever, it's cool. Like, which ride is that? I'm looking for the boat ride. That might be Flight of Passage. I don't know. Do you see signs? I don't. Okay, here we go. The fast pass. The signage over here is like non-existent. I mean, there's no sign that says. There's one little tiny sign. Wait time 85 minutes for this one. I have a fast pass. Yikes. Even the fast passes. Oh wow.
Welcome, travelers. For your safety, please remain here with your hands, arms, feet, and legs in the front. And please supervise your children.
So that was definitely really cool. So many effects in there. I mean, I've never seen the movie Pandora. I really don't know what it's about, but it was still really cool. Really neat to see. Very short boat ride, you know, so definitely a fast pass. Like I said, I'm not doing the other one because of motion sickness, but this is actually a pretty small area, Pandora. I mean, there's the 2 rides, and then there's some eating things. But there's like so little signage. Honestly, neither attraction has a sign above it saying what it is. Which is weird, but whatever. So I changed my fast pass for the Lion King. It's open from, I think, it starts at 2, so the fast pass is 1:30 to 1:45. It's 1 o'clock. I'm gonna see if I can do It's Tough to Be a Bug real quick as a walk on, which is like a 4D show. It's not very long. I can do this and then get out of here and get back over to the Lion King. Oh, stand by 5 minutes, yay. 40-minute wait to walk through. It is worth, if the standby is short, just walking this standby at Stuffed to Bug, because you will get up to the tree and see all the detail in it. This is a dark ride. It's loud. It has a lot of special effects. So even though it's Stuffed to Bug kids movie, usually in a theater at the end you just hear screaming children because it's scary. I would have hated it as a child. The elephant. See the lizard? Birds carved in here. It's definitely worth walking through. I haven't walked through in a long time. And there's my favorite, the big gorilla. Okay, well that timed out perfectly because my Fast Pass window is now open for the Lion King. So back over here, as usual. Oh, there's Dino Land, by the way, that way. It's so not crowded here. I was so worried it was going to be bad with extra magic hours, but it's just not. Awesome. As usual, in It's Stuffed to Be Bug, there were just screaming and crying children. So that's always fun. Let's now find, okay, that person was barking. What was up with that? Figure out which way to go. The Lion King? Africa this way. Okay. Africa straight ahead. Oh, by the way, this, okay, that's not her. That guy right there looks like professional photographer. That's the Disney Photo Pass system. So it is a service you can get here. You start a photo pass on your Magic Band, actually. It keeps track of it there. Oh my gosh. Stroller Wars. And there are photographers all over the parks, at downtown Disney, sometimes at the resorts, and they will take your picture absolutely free. Sometimes they have props, like that guy had a prop. And then when you get home, you can view all of your photos online. And here's where the kicker is. So if you want the pictures, there's a cost. So if you think you're going to take a ton of photos, like family photos, you can purchase a CD in advance. I think it's like $150, and you get all your photos. Then you can download them, print them, whatever you want to do. Otherwise, you can order them per photo, and they are expensive. Like if you find one good photo you want, it's probably gonna be like $20. So yeah, just depends on what you think you're gonna want to do. You know, if you think you're gonna do a lot of pictures and you're gonna want family photos in front of everything, then I definitely would get the disc before you come down, because I believe it's cheaper if you get it in advance. So yeah, then everybody in your family can be in the photo. But like for me, obviously just myself, I keep my own pictures. But anyway, something to definitely look into. And then when you are anywhere, you just go up to a PhotoPass photographer, scan your band, and whatever pictures they take will be loaded onto your account. They usually do 3 or 4 pictures each. Make sure you get somewhat of a decent one. Okay. Every time I come here, I feel like I'm going to navigate it a little bit more, and then every time I come here, I feel like I'm lost again. What are these people waiting for? Some sort of character, I guess. Well, anyway, keep walking, find the Lion King. Lord in heaven, did I say it wasn't crowded? Oh, that's because the last Lion King show just let out. What in the song of humanity? Go over here and get in for the next show. So I'm trying to give you guys the whole experience of Disney crowds. Like I said, it's not bad, but when you enter somewhere where there's just like a big let out of a show, yeah, it's going to be a little crazy. But Lion King Theater is right up here, and you can do Fast Pass or standby. It's going to be the same thing. I just think the Fast Pass, why is everyone lined up for the Fast Pass? Can't you just get in? Oh my God. The Fast Pass line is all the way back here. Great. I think it's just because they just opened the Fast Pass line. My thing said 1:30, it's like 1:32. And then they're letting out the last show. Okay, guys. I didn't film The Lion King because I've already filmed it a couple times in my other vacation vlogs. So I live streamed it on Instagram this time. So, but if you want to see it, just go back to my previous vacation vlogs. I have a Disney playlist here on my channel. You can find all my Disney vacation vlogs. So now I'm headed out of the park. I did everything I wanted to do, and I'm tired. I need a shower. Ready to head back to the resort. Take a break, and I think I'm gonna do downtown Disney tonight, or Disney Springs. It's called Disney Springs. I keep forgetting. So yeah, gonna head out, head back to the resort, and I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this week's Walt Disney World vacation vlog. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. Hitting that little bell next to the subscribe button will notify you when new videos go live. These Disney vacation vlogs are currently going up on Sundays. So until the next one, bye!